Welcome. If you've ever scrolled endlessly through a WhatsApp chat searching for that one important link, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to view all the links you've shared with a contact on WhatsApp, updated for the latest version. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Once you're in, head to the chat with the contact whose shared links you want to view. This could be a friend, a family member, or even a work group. Any conversation where links have been exchanged. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see the contact's name. Tap on their name. This action will open the contact's profile details, giving you access to more options and information about your chat. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Media, Links, and Docs. Tap on this option. Here, WhatsApp organizes everything that's been shared in your conversation, including photos, videos, documents, and of course links. Once you're inside the Media, Links, and Docs section, look for the Links tab. Tap on Links, and you'll see a complete list of every link that's been shared in this chat. Each link appears in chronological order, making it easy to revisit websites, articles, videos, or any other shared content without having to dig through the entire chat history. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of important resources, references, or even that funny video someone sent weeks ago. Whether you're organizing work materials or just want to find a recipe a friend shared, all your links are now just a few taps away. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can view and manage all the shared links in any WhatsApp conversation. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to make your WhatsApp experience even better. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.